Alright, so looking at the map, if I go over here to a temple, I went to one of my overpowered characters and just drilled a hole. I did not do anything else. I could look in all my chests. I'm enjoying the series, and I'm not ruining it this early on. I killed Golem off camera, and I got the pickaxe. And what we're gonna do now is we are going to... Oh yeah, by the way, this is a desert biome. A sand slime actually jumped down here, and I was like really confused, like, how did that happen? I have my list over here. It's not really a list anymore. Oh, why is the camera like shut down? There you go. But from what my list is, I need to kill a cultist, but I tried him off camera. I was only able to kill his phantasm dragon. Everything else was way too strong. I just need to get a little bit better. Probably with the armor. So I'm gonna look up and see what armor I want to get. But I think the first thing I want to do is I want to get... You know what? I think for good old time's sake, I want to fight one of my hard mode bosses. Let's see if I have any in one of these chests. Nope. Oh, right, I have these. Let's grab one and see what time of day it is. If it's like close to night, I'm not gonna do it, because that's just a waste. But yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I'm just gonna farm the dungeon in this and see what I get. So yeah, I'll be back. See how screwed this guy is. Oh no! Awesome. I decided to reforge my Terra Blade. I got an unhappy one, so I reforged it again. Now I have a legendary one. And that is a red modifier, so if I go into the wiki page, this is where I got my terraria sword. I got the wiki sword. But if, like, I go on this page and then scroll down, like, red is the best, like, type of weapon. Oh, well, purple is above that, but for it being this early in the game, like, there's so much more I could do. That's good. That's really good. Fight me, Skeleton Prime, fight me! Oh, this is gonna be a fun one. Oh, this is what you get for pissing me off. I cannot find my cursor because it's green. It's supposed to be a red cursor, but I changed it in the settings. Whoa, right, I forget. I still have glorified armor. I mean, I didn't fight him with glorified armor, but this is just, like, literally above the armor I found with. Yes, I have better weapons, and I could do this. But I have to remember, this guy is still actually pretty strong. I'm not at that point yet. But I will be at that point soon. I killed Prime Cannon without knowing it. Or no, I didn't. Ah, lag. Or did I? I can't tell. Where is it? Oh. This is for me not killing Prime on cam. I killed the other two on cam. So, I'm gonna kill Prime on cam for you guys. Does he still have his hand, or is he just handless? Okay, yeah, he only has cannon left. Oh my gosh. The Team Terraria is having a heart attack. Call a medical service. Call 911 or something like that. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna go to battle without using a health potion. I won't need to. Watch then me say that as I die. You messed up, Skeleton Prime. Now die. Get back here. And yes, I am killing every enemy in the game, except the ones that are unkillable for now. So why did I kill Prime, you might ask? Well, I used a couple of his souls, and I need a couple more. I was also hoping to get his mask. I have a couple naughty presents here. But yeah, I killed him. Man, today's a sad day. Right, treat the Emerox with respect. Death Sickle over here. I'm gonna... Oh, great. No, I don't want that. Just give me the... I will do it. I'm not talking. I forgot what it is. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Yes! Dead. Look, that vortex pillar dead. Off the list. It's gonna let your leader die like this? Man, that's sad. You guys are really heartless. I mean, yay! Woohoo! Oh, we're off to see a pillar so we can brutally murder it. This pillar thing killed 100 Stardust Cell. It's really easy. You just have to paladin. You have to use the paladin's hammer and just like bounce the damage off him. So we're gonna kill him with the terraria. Oh, but my game hates me recording because it like gets really laggy for no reason. Oh, well, let's go. We just got a letter, I wonder who it's from. Wow, these guys, see, look, they're unlike the solar pillar, these guys actually care about their leader. Too bad I'm gonna have to kill him, because I want that Stardust Dragon staff. Oh my gosh. I'll get back to you guys. As the Stardust pillar can be seen on the corner of my screen. Boop. Yeah, my computer definitely hates me recording. Did I kill it? No way I killed it. What happened? How did he die? The pillar. Yeah, how did Nebula die? Oh no, I just gotta redo the stupid event again. I'll be right back. Why are you angry? Why are you about yelling at all those frozen keys? I just realized I could go to other worlds and sell these all for 20 gold. Nice. You might be wondering, why am I doing more glorified? I thought I was done with that thing. Apparently not. I have to go make the beetle set, which uses beetle husk, which you can see I farmed golem and got a bunch of it. Probably enough. Hopefully enough. But now what I need to go do is farm turtles in the jungle for the giant, no, not the giant, just the tortoise set, just tortoise. And we are gonna see if I can actually get enough to do this. So my material, I have 1 tortoise shell. I need, like, somewhere around, why am I being dumb? I just need 3. And I'm just over here just like, the calculation of mass is, I forgot. I feel dumb for making this jackhammer now, because I probably would have had enough by now. But let me go farm tortoises. I'll get the beetle set. I found a Moon Lord guide, because I'm not good at fighting him. You don't want to see me fight him. But yeah, I think everything's going to be going good, and yep, Terraria's hating me again, so I'll get back. Where are you, old Dungeon Guardian? Dang it, didn't work. I platinum. Nice. I have Cthulhu's in here. Got the piranha gun now. Oh! Give me that. Hey, yo, bye. I got the piranha gun, and I don't know how this thing works. Oh. Okay, yeah, I know how it works. I just got more teleportation potions. I'm gonna use one. I am... Oh, wow. Nice. Wait, is the hat still in there? Yay! Right, can't burn. Oh, I guess I can mark them off the list. I didn't think I was gonna do that soon, but okay. So I chose the Rune Wizard set because, well, game stopped having a heart attack. See, whenever you walk, you get like a little sparkle. But we're gonna kill Wallflesh right now. Die. Wow, that's my fastest kill yet. And of course I get I got another clockwork assault rifle. I don't even want them. Stop it. Stop taunting me. I was just going to get some more power cells so I could get the Eye of the Golem. I got like literally everything else, and I just got a lizard egg. Now, I don't know, it might not seem impressive to you, but just wait a second.
Okay, why did the samurai here? That's good stuff.
Take your crap. Did not burn. You're joking me. Oh, sound bad. I'll see you next time.